Unit 8. Places and buildings. Part 2. Listen and repeat. Office. Office. We are not allowed to eat lunch in our office. Park. Park. There is a park near my house. Police station. Police station. The thief was seized and turned over to a police station. Post office. Post office. There is a post office across from our school. Restaurant. Restaurant. A new restaurant has opened around the corner. School. School. I'll pick you up from school at 5 o'clock. Supermarket. Supermarket. Most of us do our food shopping in the supermarket. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. That swimming pool is always very crowded. Theater. Theater. Are you going to the movie theater with me tonight? Train station. Train station. When you get to the train station, please call me. I will meet you there. Zoo. Zoo. Our family is going to the zoo this Sunday. Stadium. Stadium. I love the Olympic Stadium. Art gallery. Art gallery. His pictures are on display at the art gallery. Department store. Department store. I went to the department store to buy some new clothes. Cave. Cave. Images of deer and hunters decorate the cave wall. Cemetery. Cemetery. He was buried in Highgate Cemetery. Apartment. Apartment. They live in an apartment uptown. Taxi station. Taxi station. You'll be able to get a taxi outside the station. Hotel. Hotel. Can you recommend a good hotel? Alright, that's all about our lesson today. On this wonderful Christmas, I hope you have the opportunity to spend time with your loved ones, creating memories that will last a lifetime. But most importantly, I hope you remember the true meaning of Christmas, a time to love, give, and spread joy. Be kind to others, help those in need, and cherish the special moments with your family and friends. May your holiday season be filled with magic, wonder, and happiness. Happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Goodbye and see you again.